International Translation Day, 30th September. International Translation Day is celebrated on September 30 annually to pay tribute to language professionals who offer translation and interpretation services and thus bring nations together, facilitate dialogue, and contribute to world peace. Significance. There are over 6,500 spoken languages in the world. It is challenging to overcome language barriers. Translators and interpreters make it easier to do so. Translation and interpretation are two different things. Translation involves the written word, interpretation involves the spoken word. If a book or report needs to be transposed to another language, a translator is required. Interpreters take spoken information and make it understandable in another language. Both translators and interpreters are necessary when it comes to helping individuals better understand one another. They make a difference when it comes to starting a business in a foreign country. They also help patients in hospitals, students in schools, and newspaper reporters working in foreign countries. Because of the need, translators and interpreters are in high demand. In the United States, translators and interpreter jobs are expected to grow 29% by 2024. Languages that are in the highest demand include Spanish, Russian, French, and German. Other languages that are steadily increasing in demand include Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Hindi, and Korean. International Translation Day highlights the role of translation to encourage the profession, which help in promoting an understanding of the intangible cultural heritage and mutual respect in our changing world. History. International Translation Day is a recent entry into the calendar of world events. It is established by the International Federation of Translators (FIT), which was set up in 1953. On 24 May 2017, the General Assembly adopted a resolution 71/288 to proclaim 30 September as International Translation Day after considering the role of professionals in connecting nations and fostering peace, understanding, and development. 30 September was chosen because this date celebrates the feast of Saint Jerome, a Christian scholar and priest who was the first person to translate the Bible into Latin from the original Hebrew, making it accessible for the first time to a far wider audience. Saint Jerome is the patron saint of translators. Even in 1991, FIT launched the idea of an officially recognized International Translation Day to show the solidarity of the worldwide translation community and also to promote the translation profession in several countries. Observance. The day is marked with a series of dedicated events, seminars, and symposiums across the world. To participate in International Translation Day, brush up on a language you learned in high school. Make it a goal to start learning a new language. Think about what it would be like for others not to understand your language. Watch a foreign film. Listen to songs in different languages. If you have ever been in a situation where there was a language barrier, share your experience on social media. Use #International Translation Day.